Next question. Sean on the left. I wonder, should we get rid of our kosher hobbies? For example, knitting, cooking, gardening, etc. To not waste time and try our best to use all of the time for Torah and study and mitzvah. If not, how can we direct our kosher hobbies into a mitzvah?
Mm-hmm. So sometimes people, people like pure on the high spiritual level, so that they need some hobbies. So, but these hobbies, like person, like for most of the people, it's impossible to learn nonstop. It's impossible. For example, me personally, some people think that I can learn all day long. I need breaks. I cannot learn. I like I have hobbies to do something like to work with my hands. So I like to build things. I like to fix things. I like to restore things. That's my hobby. So but when I'm doing this, so I'm trying to listen to a class, right? So. And plus, I mean, for women, for knitting, there is no problem. They can listen to a class, right? Concentrate on a class. If it's they just do mechanically whatever they do, and there is no problem, right? And of course, it should be like a second run. So always we recommend to listen to all of the classes minimum twice. So one to get the idea, right, and then. Second run with the details. So as a first run, you can always do like these hobbies, like because again from my experience, when people are trying to do like get rid of all other things, they break, unfortunately, unless they surround it with other activities. When for example, she was a single lady, she had all the other hobbies. There is no now she's a mommy, she has all these kids. Forget about the hobbies. The only hobby she has to take a 15 minutes nap. That's the biggest hobby she has. Understand? So that would be no problem because she's busy, and of course she has the time to study Torah. That's a different story. But if she does not have other activities, so to expect a woman that she's going to learn Torah all day long, it's not practical. Same with men. Like we cannot expect them to learn the whole day long, right? But to do something like which is not against the Torah, I would say there is no problem. Especially all of these things that you mentioned. I mean, maybe kind of like if it's not outside, it's like a modest way for a woman. There is no problem. Right? For example, so somebody asking about gardening, and so we recommend that there is a special like a bench, like a tiny this size bench, like with a padding. So the person would work on a garden, like stand on their knees, right? So for a woman, it would be much more preferable that you bend down. Bend down, absolutely forbidden. But standing on her knees with a skirt, there is no problem. And stuff like that. But if right. All others, no problem. Again, we have to be practical also. It's not practical to learn Torah. I mean, you can listen to the Torah, but to say that everybody can learn the whole day, absolutely not. Okay, well, you're welcome.